Okay, this one is a 1980 Corvette, and I just spoke to the owner about it, and what is unique about this is it's been converted to tuned port fuel injection off of a 1987 car. The 1980 Corvettes originally came with a carburetor system, so this one's a little bit unique. Owner said it runs very well in this configuration. He said aside from the intake manifold and the fuel injection system, he had to add an electric fuel pump and then also upgrade the alternator to a higher output alternator. He said he's running a 70 amp alternator to handle the additional electrical demands of all the additional electrical components. Guess he's got heavy duty electric cooling fans in there. There's the alternator over there, obviously. He said the alternator is actually from a Ford vehicle. Super clean looking 1980 Corvette.